Do you want to know which robotics trends and startups will have an impact on your company soon? The increased demand for industrial automation, digitalization, and sustainability are met by emerging robotics trends. Material handling in warehouses is automated by autonomous mobile robots, ANRs, and automated guided vehicles, AGVs. Cobots, on the other hand, work side by side with humans to execute pick-and-place activities in production settings. In the robotics industry, there is also a lot of effort and investment in areas like robotic cybersecurity, humanoid robots, and drones. This paper gives a broad overview of robotics trends, from the Internet of Things to cognitive robotics and robots as a service, IoT. Keep an eye out to see how they affect your company. Welcome to Zone Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about the latest robots and technologies of the future 2023. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Autonomous mobile robots. Workers are exposed to hazardous situations such as toxic chemicals, tight spaces, or heavy machinery in production environments. Startups and scale-ups use ANRs to automate numerous industrial processes to counteract this. To comprehend their immediate surroundings and navigate on their own, they use sensors, artificial intelligence, and computer vision. To monitor stock levels and automate material handling, warehouse ANRs, for instance, use scanners. This prevents inventory from running out. To speed up processes and spare workers from moving heavy carts, ANRs also transport subassemblies and parts over great distances inside plants. Through independent disinfection, they also find use in sanitizing hospital floors and shop floors. ANRs are used in the hospitality sector to transport food and other items to hotels and restaurants, as well as for housekeeping tasks. Robots for last-mile delivery (LMD) are being quickly used for speedy and contactless deliveries. Metaverse. Even though Meta, the organization once known as Facebook, lost billions of dollars on its metaverse initiatives, the notion of spending time in virtual online worlds is rising in popularity and is expected to do so in 2023. More and more pilot projects on how to increase consumer involvement and loyalty in various metaverses, particularly gaming platforms like Roblox, will be started by retail and entertainment companies. In 2023, firms will be driven to stage concerts, fashion weeks, customer journeys, and edutainment activities by metaverse natives who have grown up gaming and socializing in other digital realities. Designed for the Row by American artist Daniel Arsham featured a take on classical sculpture. Mayer adds that more small companies will join the bigger organizations that have already established outposts on metaverse platforms. The metaverse will also become more mobile and accessible through devices such as headsets and smart glasses, and businesses will need to consider how they can leverage these opportunities to create immersive and efficient experiences, he says. Intelligent robotics. Robots can use real-time information and optimize jobs thanks to the incorporation of AI into robotics. Startups employ machine learning, dynamics modeling, reinforcement learning, computer vision, and more for this. Large datasets and real-time data are also used to teach the robots to become more accurate and effective. They are therefore better able to sense their surroundings and distinguish objects more quickly, allowing them to independently navigate. Robots powered by AI are being used in manufacturing to automate repetitive operations, including 3D printing, picking and arranging parts, and quality checking. Natural language processing (NLP) is also employed by robots in hotels and retail establishments to improve client relations. Drones. Startups are now able to construct drones with greater range and capabilities thanks to developments in edge computing, HPC, and connectivity technologies. They use them to deliver packages, gather aerial data, inspect infrastructure, and more across a variety of industries. Contrarily, agricultural drones can distribute pesticides and plant seeds at specific locations while tracking crops and keeping an eye on the movement of cattle. Drones' adaptability hastens their integration into last-mile delivery of goods like groceries and medical supplies. Startups also use vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, technology to make drones more practical to operate in tight areas. This makes it possible to give emergency services during pandemics and natural disasters. Cobots. In contrast to traditional industrial robots, cobots, or collaborative robots have cutting-edge sensors and algorithms that assure safe behavior around people. To automate assembly activities like part welding and screw drilling, they primarily take the form of end-of-arm tooling, EOAT. These robots lift hazardous objects for human employees, such as heavy metals, polymers, and other materials. Additionally, cobots supplement current production lines to help workers, necessitating the least amount of production downtime possible during integration. This hastens their industrial implementation to raise worker safety and productivity. Additionally, improvements in 5G and high-performance computing, HPC, will improve humanoid robot collaborations. Self-reliance and semiconductors. According to Prakash, the conflict in Ukraine will mark the beginning of a new era in geopolitics and globalization. The search for independence, a driving force behind vertical globalization, will pick up speed in 2023, according to him, having an impact on all facets of technology. He continues, mentioning how Chinese automakers are investing in their ships to sell their vehicles around the globe, citing Apple's intentions to relocate manufacture elsewhere. The competition for the semiconductors that power our cell phones, laptops, cars, and home appliances will be another trend to keep an eye on. According to Prakash, semiconductors will revolutionize international affairs in 2023 and pit the US and China against one another in this market. Robotics as a service. Robot development and maintenance is an expensive and time-consuming procedure. Due to these limitations, a lot of organizations, particularly small businesses, are unable to incorporate robotics into their operations. RAS, however, offers a subscription-based business model that makes use of robotics. Employing robots on demand enables businesses to easily scale their operations in response to shifting market conditions. Additionally, service providers can swiftly adjust current setups thanks to cloud-based robotics, which enhances performance based on real-time data. Automated guided vehicles. Materials are typically transported by AGVs, also known as self-guided vehicles, in warehouses, distribution centers, and production facilities. Their movement is controlled by a combination of software and sensor-based navigation systems that follow a predetermined path. Forklift AGVs move pallets without human assistance, whereas automated guided carts, AGCs, convey a variety of light to heavy items. These robots reduce operational expenses and time. AGVs may also be precisely accelerated and decelerated by operators using computer software, which lowers accidents and boosts worker safety. Automatic bumpers that detect obstacles are another safety element of AGVs. Robotics cybersecurity. Robotics are prime targets for cyber attacks due to the IoT's integration and the increased demand for connectivity. In addition, safeguarding robotic solutions against illegal access is necessary due to the deployment of robotics in the defense, manufacturing, healthcare, and space industries. To prevent data breaches and asset outages, robotic cybersecurity solutions secure endpoints and connection stacks. Startups use AI or machine learning to continuously monitor networks and devices for this purpose. By allowing companies to monitor device activity in real time and quickly identify security concerns, these solutions help them avoid downtime and financial loss. Progress in Web3. Additionally, 2023 will see a huge advancement in blockchain technology as businesses produce more decentralized goods and services. We currently store everything in the cloud, for instance, but if we decentralize data storage and encrypt that data using blockchain, our information will not only be safer, but also have novel access and analysis methods. In the coming year, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, will be easier to use and more useful. For instance, NFT concert tickets may allow you access to backstage activities and artifacts. NFTs might represent the contracts we enter into with third parties, or they could be the keys we use to interact with many of the digital goods and services we purchase. So that's it for today. What do you think of our video? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications before you go. Thank you for watching.